Hello everybody, my name is Amir Ali. Today my topic of presentation is caste and religious discrimination in employment. So first of all, I will tell you what is discrimination means. This discrimination means treating some people differently from others on the basis of caste and religion. Discrimination in the workplace happens when a person or a group of people is treated unfairly and unequally because of specific characteristics. These protected characteristics include race, ethnicity, gender identity, age, disability, or religious belief, etc. But in my presentation, I will describe caste and religion. So, this is caste discrimination. Caste, first of all, I will tell you what is meant by caste. Caste is a term used to describe the complex system of social divisions that pervade life. Caste discrimination in employment means that people get jobs, wages, respect, and promotion on the basis of their caste. In India, there are 4 castes: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Brahman is the elite class in caste and gets the best possible accommodation and jobs, while in the other hand Shudra is the lowest caste and gets the lowest accommodation and sometimes not at all. So next is religious discrimination. Firstly, I will tell you what is meant by religion. Religion is defined as social cultural system of designated behavior and practices, moral beliefs, worldviews, texts, and sanctified places, ethics, or organization that generally relates humanity to supernatural and spiritual elements. Religious discrimination involves treating a person, an applicant, or an employer unfavorably because of his and her religious belief. Religious discrimination can also involve treating someone differently because of that person is married to or associated with an individual of a particular religion. Employers who are discriminated against on religious grounds can suffer from severe psychological damage, including depression, low self-esteem, and difficulties related to others. For example, refusing to hire individuals of a certain religion, imposing more or different work requirements on an employee because of that employee's religious beliefs or practices, imposing stricter promotion requirements for person of a certain religion. And there is another example. There is also present issue of religious discrimination called hijab issue in India, Karnataka. So next is Acts and Article on Caste and Religious Discrimination. Firstly, the Equality Act 2010 says is an act of Parliament of United Kingdom which also says you must not be discriminated against because you are or are not of a particular religion, you hold or do not hold a particular philosophical belief. And next one is Equal Remuneration Act 1976. Every person should be paid equally without being discriminated in terms of sex, race, caste, and religion. So next is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Everyone is entitled to all rights. So next, human rights, which is proclaimed by United Nations General Assembly in Paris on 10 December 1948. According to Article 2 of UDHR, everyone is entitled to all rights and freedoms without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, property, birth or other status. So next is International Labour Organization Convention on Discrimination. In International Labour Organization Convention number 111, it says any distinction, exclusion or preference made on the basis of race, color, sex, religion, political opinion, national extraction or social origin, which has the effect of nullifying or impairing equality of opportunity or treatment in employment or occupation. So that's it. Any questions?
Yes, sir, there are some questions. How you will define religious discrimination in different countries?
So I will tell you what is religious discrimination. Religious discrimination involves treating a person, an particular or an employer unfavorably because of his or her religious belief. And the religious discrimination can also involve treating someone differently because that person is married with an individual of a particular religion, and the other religion people in India don't get jobs, promotion, opportunities because of discrimination of religion. So, any other question?
Yes. What UDHR says about discrimination in employment?
Yes. First of all, I will tell you, Universal UDHR full form is Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which is proclaimed by United Nations General Assembly in Paris on 10 December 1948. According to its Article 2 of Universal Declaration of Human Rights, everyone is entitled to all rights and freedoms without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, property, birth or other status. That in this, it is also described that other religion and caste people have to get their opportunities of work, jobs, occupation, etc. So that's it. Thank you so much.